Do you use a CPAP machine, or do you care about someone who does? A PAP, or positive airway pressure device, assists individuals with breathing issues, such as sleep apnea. While a CPAP machine is designed to help millions with breathing issues to sleep better, ironically, they can easily get in the way of a good night's sleep, leaving you feeling tired, listless, and unrested. We have designed a solution to these difficulties. It is called the Tranquility Base CPAP Support Stand. The Tranquility Base CPAP Support Stand supports the CPAP hose securely above the user's head. No more tangles, no more obstructed airflow, no more broken air seal. You get the quality rest you deserve. The Tranquility Base CPAP Support Stand is placed securely between the box springs and mattress of your bed. Its telescoping arm and secure locks make it easy to adjust the unit exactly to the height you desire. The Tranquility Base CPAP Support Stand can fold down out of sight with ease when not in use. It is also designed to fold flat for travel or storage convenience. It is made of aluminum, so it is lightweight yet durable. We are very proud to bring you this quality product designed and manufactured right here in the USA.